Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. You're with Edward and Nita in the Philippines, and this is Nita's cooking show today. Welcome. These are called what?
Chimichangas.
Mexican chimichangas
Filipino.
or Filipino chimichangas because of the wrapper. This wrapper is like a Filipino
Lumpia wrapper.
lumpia wrapper, yeah. So we got refried beans she made. And you can see here she's got onion and tomatoes. She already put refried beans down. Here, look, she's got some chicken over there.
The chicken.
Cheese and chicken. Like a taco chicken.
Okay. Yeah, like taco chicken. I saute with garlic, onion, and some. Yeah, now this one you have to wrap. And we have to fry it or just warm up in
Fry it or microwave? No.
No, warm up in the
warm
up. Just warm up in the oven. Yeah.
Some people steam these, right? Or
You
something.
steam? No. We're gonna run
That's
the.
more like dumplings, right?
We're gonna run the
Here she
wrapper.
is, ladies and gentlemen. She has a Treasure Island shirt on today for the cooking show. Let me put this thing down here.
You don't take picture the one I cooked?
I took a picture of these,
Oh, okay.
but no video of the one you
Okay,
cooked
this
yet.
is chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
There's a technique in rolling these too,
Yeah, I
so the
know.
stuff doesn't come out. And then I
Yeah.
think she fried. You fry in a little bit of oil or what?
Yeah, I fried it.
Just a
Yeah.
coating of oil on the frying pan?
Yeah. You non-stick frying pan. Because so you don't have to use too much grease. I don't know.
What did you just do? What did you just do there?
Oh, I just put that liquid sauce there so
Make it stick or
it get
stay together?
cold. Yes.
Oh, okay.
And this is for beef.
She's got the beef,
Beef
like a beef taco.
tacos mixed and I
She just
will.
made a bunch of the chicken ones. Chicken
Yeah.
tacos.
Now this
These still
beef.
frozen.
Yeah,
So
because
this is what the onions look like here.
chop
Frozen
onion
beans, tomatoes.
and tomatoes.
A lot of stuff here is a lot smaller than the U.S. This is actually a pretty decent sized onion. Usually they're smaller than that.
Yeah, you can buy small, you can buy
And this is the cheese. Let me see the box for the cheese. What kind of cheese?
Oh,
Is it? The cheese she's putting in.
wait, I really the price.
Let's flip it on the other side.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Don't throw it out.
Oh, okay. You then melt.
They call it melt cheese. It's like a Velveeta cheese here. You can shred it like she did there.
Yeah,
She shreds it.
really. Oh, yeah.
And then, but it comes like a block like this.
Yeah, like it's
butter.
a long block, like Velveeta.
Velveeta cheese.
Velveeta, yeah, they have Velveeta there.
Ah, okay. It's really good. It's really good with eggs too. If you like cheesy eggs in the morning, this stuff is great. This is the Eden one though, but they make another one that's even better. It's
The Magnolia.
Magnolia brand, yes. It's like the local cheese and milk company. Look at that cheese.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Then you have to get Magnolia next time. But the local store here, they don't carry that there because
It's a little more expensive than this one.
Yeah.
This one was how much? 97 pesos in the
97.
sorry store here they call it. It's like a corner store
Yeah.
inside the subdivisions and neighborhoods.
This is 97 pesos. The Magnolia, same size, same as this, is 120.
120, but it tastes so much better. Man.
Yeah.
It's made out of real cow milk, not goat milk. Okay, are you gonna fry some of these or?
You can fry more, I have for you.
Oh, okay.
You have some more?
No, fry. Show them how to fry it, how to cook.
Okay.
Like cook one, you know, at least something like that.
I'm gonna put it
Oh,
Like
like
plate.
a stove.
like electric plate.
But non-stick. You gotta do a non-stick
Nice.
pan so it doesn't stick.
Because
That's
you only
There's the rice cooker.
use only a little bit oil.
Just a little bit of oil.
Yeah, I don't want it. Okay. You have to make sure it's hot.
Yeah, so the oil doesn't soak in. It just
Yeah.
rises.
then when they cook, they're good. They can sell this for commercial because nobody knows this. This is when I said that in the video, I'm the one who discovered this.
That's right. Tell the story. How did you discover that? You were working in a restaurant when you were young, right? Here?
Before,
at the Mexican restaurant?
Yeah, and then my brother-in-law is a chef in the restaurant. They have a hard time to get flour tortillas. They have ordered to Manila to ship in here.
That's far away. That's like 2 hours away.
Yeah, so we talk about it. They have a nice wrapper. And my brother-in-law said, hey, why don't you try this wrapper, Lumpia wrapper? I said, let's do it.
As what? As like a Mexican tortilla, right?
Yeah.
As a Mexican tortilla.
This is made in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's hard to find in the U.S. I remember you asked in the supermarkets and
yeah,
stuff.
they don't have. They
have
have a
the
flat
Chinese
tortilla,
one,
yeah.
right? The frozen or something.
Yes. They use for spring rolls, but this one is very sensitive to use and thin because if you don't know how to work, you're gonna waste it. They're gonna turn and have to separate.
Oh. But you can actually use these to make a Mexican style burrito, breakfast burrito with eggs and potatoes.
And we use a lot for banana tune.
Oh, you have to put the bananas in there.
Yes. This banana.
You got some bananas here.
Yeah, we slice this and wrap with that.
And you put sugar too, right? Like
if they're really ripe, you don't need it. But they're not really ripe, you can put a little bit brown sugar.
Oh.
And then wrap it and fry it.
So in the chicken that you put inside these, what kind of seasoning did you use? Basically like the McCormick taco seasoning, right?
Yeah, and I put onion, garlic, tomato,
onion, garlic. Oh.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Oh wow. They are delicious, folks. Let me tell you, my God, I feel like I'm in a Mexican restaurant here today.
It is nice if you have a guacamole.
Guacamole, the Philippines has a lot.
We can put guacamole in the top.
What's it called? The
avocado.
Avocado, yeah. There's a lot of avocados here in the Philippines. A lot of avocado trees.
Yeah.
Mostly mango trees, coconut trees, but...
Yeah. And guava.
Yeah, guavas everywhere.
And
the house we're looking to buy has like 5 guava trees waiting for us. With guavas already
and
made.
Papaya.
Papayas, yes.
Well, I'm gonna buy a avocado and make guacamole.
What does it say? Any day spent with you is my favorite day. Wow, I think that's a treat.
Just be careful, don't get burned. Turn it like brown like this.
Keep an eye on it. You can't leave it. It's actually good if you have like a 2-person team, husband and wife, or a sister, 2 sisters. One could be the frying, the other one could be the rolling and stuffing kind of thing.
Yeah, I'm not really fan of cooking oil or oil, so that's why when I make this, I want to use the non-stick because I just put like tablespoon of oil. Turn around, make it crispy. The cheese melted inside.
Right into the refried beans and the chicken and the tomatoes and onions. Man. I just tried 2 of these, folks, and my God, they are so delicious. And this young lady here is the one that discovered how to do this here.
Nobody
else is doing it. Everybody's buying the wrappers from Manila. And she was like, why don't we just use the lumpia wrappers? It's almost the same thing as Mexican flour tortillas.
But they're very thin, they're
very thin. But you can keep
like
2.
A pillow,
you can put 2 together and make it thicker.
Pillow dough.
Like the Greek spinach pie thing.
Yeah, I use this for spinach pie.
Spinach pie, yeah.
But a Filipino in here, they only using for, they call egg roll or Shanghai lumpia.
Oh, okay.
Cheese lumpia.
I'll try to put cheese in it, right?
Yeah, cheese lumpia.
You can make like the U.S. has, what is it called? The one in the Italian restaurant? No, the cheese, mozzarella cheese sticks.
Mozzarella cheese, yeah.
Yeah, but they use these instead of the breadcrumbs and.
No, they don't use breadcrumbs. They use these.
Well, they do have some breadcrumbs here. They have the Japanese ones.
Yeah, the pinko.
Pinko, yeah, those are good too. Again, there you go, folks. Refried beans. Oops, sorry about the shadow. That's what they look like before you fry them. And of course, you've got the fresh onions and tomatoes on her board. There's the cheese shredded. And then she has the first few here are made of chicken. It's a little bit of chicken right there. Yeah. This one's the beef for the next batch.
This is what they look like. I don't
show the inside on that one. This one, you have one cut already.
Yeah.
See what they look like on the inside of that. No, right there. You have one cut already. Yeah. Just squeeze it. So
there is very crispy outside, and there's the refried bean chicken and cheese.
They're even like the Mexican taquitos that they sell in the supermarket, like at Publix or something in Florida or something.
But I like it better than those.
Oh yeah.
And then this one is very light.
Yeah, it's a very
light
dough, not doughy.
No.
It's got filling. Come on, dude. We can't see you. You look like you're faking. It's not hot, is it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Very.
Well, and this is what they look like here. Okay.
Here.
This is what they look like here. Hold on. This is the dough. That's too much shadow there. I don't know.
I will hold it. But
how thin they are.
this one
you
have.
One to the left, to the.
You have to cover this when you're roasting.
How thin they are.
If you don't, they get dry. You cannot. You cannot use it.
Oh wow! Look how thin that is.
Mm-hmm.
You can almost see right through it.
Yeah.
I can see your hand right through it. Mm-hmm. They're really thin, like you said, the Mexican, not the Mexican, the Greek dough.
Yeah. When you work with this, you have to keep moist. Keep it covered so it don't get dry.
Yeah.
Once they get dry, you cannot roll.
No. Again, this is the finished product, folks. They are delicious. We wish you were here to try them. Again, the Philippines is open, so anytime you want to come visit us, you're more than welcome. Mm-hmm. We have 3 bedrooms here, and then the new house we're going to eventually is a bungalow type, but as soon as we're ready to get in there, we want to sell this house here and move to instead of an up and down, this is an up and down, just one floor bungalow type. Oh, look at that! Look at that.
Here, open your mouth.
Hold on. I can't tell. Which is. Let me try this.
The cheese is good, though.
Oh, that is delicious. My God.
Okay.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
But you can taste the cheese and beans and all that stuff. Thank you, Nita.
Hello.
Thanks for showing us how to cook it. Tune in next time, and what are you going to make next time? What do you think? Cookies or baking, maybe?
Maybe I can bake the lady like raisin cupcake with banana on it.
Oh, wow. That looks good. Thank you, Nita. We love you.
Thank you.
Come visit us soon, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.